up YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I know y'all just seen the 2 videos of Freaky and J.U. Shans. Know what I mean? Money Train coming soon. Know what I mean? Pavement Struggle, know what I mean? Dying Breed in here soon. Know what I mean? We just about to take over. Know what I mean? We doing everything exclusive, y'all. We coming straight to y'all. Like, how y'all want it? When y'all let us in, it's going to be something crazy, know what I mean? We got Freaky over here, the conductor, Money Train. How you want it?
Nigga, how you want it?
Mm.
With Money Train, scoot, skating on the man, getting dummies, man. Money Train, make a map. It only cost a penny, man. Just know that if the kids 901, they ain't got to pay to get in. They get in free. Why? Because they know the future, man. 10 and up, you got to pay that money, man.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. They got it. They got it. They got it. They got it. Nah, man, that's what we doing. J.U. Shans, do you got anything to say? You got anything to say?
Alright, Money Train coming.
Yo, hold up.
Hold on.
He said, it ain't much. She said, I only got $1. I said, good, because it only cost a penny, man.
How y'all want it, man? Easy. We signing out. Love y'all. Good night, man.